Let's see how to use iPad, a drawing tablet for PC. In the first step, tap on Settings on your iPad. Later, choose Wi-Fi and join the same network as your computer. Now, turn on Bluetooth in Settings. In the next step, download a suitable app on your iPad and computer. Later, open the app on both systems. Then follow the given instructions to establish pairing. In the next step, start the drawing program on your computer. After that, set up the input settings to detect iPad. After that, modify pen sensitivity and pressure options. In the next step, run the app on your iPad. After that, use the pen to draw on the screen. Next, try different tools to check the smoothness. In the next step, change display settings on the computer for sharper visuals. Next, improve app preferences to minimize delay. Then set up shortcut keys for faster controls. You are good to go.